Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look again here at PEPE, seeing what's going on. I got a lot of requests for this one. I can see why. It's absolutely recovering, trying to retest that most recent high. So we got to kind of pay attention to this level here at roughly about, I'm going to round up about 780 as a close approximate. We'll take a look at liquidation levels as well. And if you're new to the channel, just know I am not a financial advisor, but I do love teaching people to trade. And I hope you can learn something today. I do have a trading academy, community, and signals group linked down below for that. And quick congrats to our community members too for some awesome profits here. Last 24 hours have been excellent. As soon as inflation data came through, we took some long positions, 30% OP, 5 hours, H-bar, 1 hour or less, 35%, and 21% from Bitcoin in 40 minutes. Again, those are just safe 5x leverage trades. I do 10x leverage Bitcoin, of course, but it's just because it's a different scale altogether. So what I'd like to look at here with PEPE, let's actually not forget the back-end data first. There's a heavy concentration liquidation at this 560 to 570 range, okay? We can also see upwards of 800 too with that next area of liquidation. So with us being in the 770s, as soon as the price breaks through this level and we hit this 0.618 fib level, we're going to see a lot of liquidation. Okay, so it's important to note because there's more incentive to push the price action higher than lower right now because we're closer to that point. Okay, again, the liquidation is a very real thing, folks. It acts like a magnet in a lot of cases. So we take a look at the moving averages. PEPE is looking pretty strong overall, above every single moving average. So the daily time frame looks way better for PEPE than it does with most other coins. We're over 50 on the RSI, stochastic swinging up, money flow index is high, and MACD is converging. So there's no reason to not to consider a short position with this coin right now. Okay, it's definitely looking pretty solid in the overall sense. 4 hour time frame, same scenario. We got all moving averages below the price action, RSI above 50. Money flow index above that, extremely important. Also, stochastic swinging up and MACD converging. There is 110% reason why you should not short this coin, and you might want to consider a long. We can also see somewhat of a pattern here for me, right? So it's not definitive. It's pretty close, right? We can kind of see a bull flag type of breakout here. Absolutely looking pretty solid. So we're going to pay attention to that guy. If we take a look at the hourly too, we can confirm that it is overextended. We can kind of see that pretty straightforward here. We're at a 9. Hypothetically, the price pulls back to this lower level here, this most recent fib at about 740. That would be a solid consideration for a long position. And let me explain why. First of all, it's a more recent support level or resistance turn support. And lagging span being free and clear here in the conversion line on the baseline. 100% no other way around it. This coin looks very, very strong, absolutely ready to break. So one of two things will happen. We could see a break of this recent resistance here and consolidate here at about 780. Secondary to that, which I'd prefer to see, the price action pull back to this lower level here, about 750, and to essentially bounce from there. Because again, we got some decent support based on volume at that level, but also there's that Fibonacci retracement level, it's at 0.5 fib, and we could see the price action recover from here. So I'm going to be considering a long position with this coin if the price pulls back. I don't like to buy the top right here, even though it's potential breakout. It's overextended leading into it. Okay, so recognize that if the price pulls back a little bit, maybe a solid entry for this coin. Hopefully that makes sense. I described that correctly though. Thanks again so much for watching. Oh, quickly to note too, we are using a Bitunix, phenomenal exchange. Highly recommend using them. No KYC or VPN required. I get the question a lot, what exchange do I use? This is the one to use. Folks, they are fantastic to us. Nice rewards too if you use my link to register. We'll look forward to seeing you on the next video. Hope you have a great rest of the day. Thanks again for your time. Take care.